Hi everyone, and welcome back to our AI and EdTech series. We have already explored Notebook LM and Perplexity. Today we are moving to something new. This week we are looking at Qwen, a powerful AI model built to help with text, idea, and creativity. In other words, Qwen is another version of ChatGPT, but it's completely free. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to go to any browser again, and you're going to Google Qwen. Okay, and you're gonna see the results as such. Is gonna be again purple. The company that made Qwen is Alibaba, and they were created that for the purpose of analyzing data and statistics for their website. But then they open it to the public. Okay. Now, if you click on this one, then you're gonna get something like this. Okay. Now, if you do not create an account, I believe it gives you about 10 prompts free. Then it will ask you to log in. But if you do sign up or log in, again, it's completely free, and there's so many stuff that you can actually do, like image generation. You can do deep research. It helps you with web development, so coding and whatnot. Travel planner if you want. And much more. Okay, there's in here it can upload documents. It recognizes all kind of documents. You can upload images, videos, and audio, so things that even ChatGPT does not actually do for free. Okay, now if you do sign up or sign in, then you're gonna get something like this. Okay, now again, exactly same ChatGPT, but the idea is when you use any AI generative tool is to structure prompt correctly. So first use case for Qwen could be to make a 30-minute math lesson on fractions for grade 4. So if you notice, we are being as detailed as possible. The only thing we're missing here is to mention the curriculum that you're using. So if it's a UAE curriculum, you put that in there. Of course, this also understands Arabic very clearly. You can type in Arabic and get response in Arabic. So let's say it's actually Indian curriculum. Okay, and if you click on that arrow, then it's gonna do the search, and then or you know analyze the prompt that you actually did, and then it's gonna give you the lesson on fraction. Okay, starting with the learning objective, the material that you may actually need, lesson procedures, and all of that. Maybe part of the prompt is going to be to make the activities fun. And it could be something to say, make activities offline. You can also do it, make the activities to be interactive. Um, you can also say gamify my activities as well, and it's gonna do that. Okay. Now there's tasks that you can actually do. There's differentiation and a wrap up and a homework and an assessment and some teacher's notes as well. Okay. So that's the plan for the fraction lesson. Okay. How about if you want to use Qwen to summarize an article in 5 sentences for grade 7 students? Now, here you actually need to give the article, but I don't actually have the article with me, but it's just uh, okay, it's just an example for you to actually do is when you have a big article and you want to summarize it for your students, you can just do that. You can also explain the photosynthesis in simple words for grade 5 students. Again, you can specify the curriculum, but I guess it doesn't really matter when it comes to the science lesson. It's kind of the same in everywhere. So what it's going to do is going to simplify it as much as possible. It's going to do how it works and all of that. You can also say that to simplify in a game, how to explain it in a game, and it will also do that for you. Now, lastly, is going to be to make 5 fun quiz questions about the solar system for grade 5 UK curriculum. Again, very important that you structure your prompt as clear and as detailed as possible. And then it's going to give you the 5 questions right here. Okay. Now, part of the things I think we did not go into is that thinking phase, or if you actually want to research on the internet directly, or if you wanted to actually just come up with the answer right away. Okay, so you can click on that or not click on that. Okay, now hopefully this actually covers everything. Now if you do want to create an image for what any reason, then you can actually click on image. So it's going to say image generation, and then you're going to tell it what exactly you're looking for, as detailed as possible. So this works as Sora from ChatGPT, and you can actually see the images that other people created right here from before. And what you can actually do is click on it and then use the same prompt if you like, which is right here. It says a blueprint for a Q version of Harry Potter mascot doll. And then you can give it as much detail as possible in order to figure out what kind of image you're actually looking for. And here is the image, which is really good quality. And I can understand Lego and Harry Potter. So the spelling is correct, which is something I don't really get always from ChatGPT. Well, thank you very much and stay tuned for the next video.